of the Basque country in northern Spain. We had taken a tour from gate 1 and we reached here. And the game of Thrones was also featured here. View is very impressive. The view is really breathtaking and quiet place. Seabirds are flying. Very nice. The city is really beautiful. The houses are painted with different colors. Mainly their occupation is the fisherman. And the story say that some times ago, the BERMEO was a center for the whaling industry, and fishermen would use paint and leftover from the coating their boats to decorate their houses and protect them from the coastal weather. The story also goes that the houses are painted different colors so that the fishermen returning from the drunk are able to find their houses. Picasso painting, and it was created immediately response to the brutal bombing of the Civil War. Assembly House of Guernica is a building. It was, I think, constructed between the 1826 to 1833. This also served as the historical and the spiritual heart of Basque democracy. Till today, this remains the original and functioning, even though there was a bombing in 1937 of the Civil War, but this building was survived and the oak tree was also survived. So there was no damage to these buildings. And still there are every month the politician, they come and then they take the decision for these Basque people. The hall is decorated with different types of painting.